Alright, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to do a practical demonstration on multi-branch pipeline. In the previous video, we have gone through the theory, how does it works. So let us do the setup for a multi-branch pipeline. We already know what actually it is. So yeah, for this specific demonstration purpose, we are going to refer this repository, that is multi-branch setup, where I have added few demo files and few Docker file and Jenkins file just for our testing purpose, because the main thing that we want to do here is basically we want to create a multi-branch pipeline and we want to see actually whether it will create the pipelines for the remaining 12 branches or not. Okay, so yeah, here you can see everything is created, and the first thing that you want to do is, let's say if you want to add more branches, just open this sh file, change the configuration, and you will be able to do. So if you want 20 branches, so change the count over here. Okay, and then run the shell script. It will create it for you and things will be done. All right. So let me go back to multi-branch setup and let me copy the URL, and I go back to my favorite place, the dashboard, the Jenkins. Okay, and here I'll create a new job. So I'll click on new item. Here I'll just write multi-branch setup, and here if you scroll down, you'll find one option called multi-branch pipeline. I click it over there and click on OK. And now we will do the further configuration. So we are going to do a direct jump on the pipeline. So here I'll just go, and by mode would be Jenkins, and I'll add the branch source, and the branch source here would be Git. So I will be providing the URL. Okay, and since it is a public repository, credentials are not needed. But if it is a private repo, then you have to pass the credentials. And by what you will be passing the credentials, it will be through credential manager, and you have to store the credential in the credential manager. Okay, now moving forward, and here we are defining the build configuration. Now which file to look for the build? So here in each branch there is a file named Jenkins that we have to look, and once everything is done, you can click on apply and OK. So I'll click on save, and what it will do, it will pull the repo, it will scan everything, and if you go back to multi-branch setup, all the pipeline are created without even us to do anything over here. And the best part over here is you can make each Jenkins file unique per branch, so no need to do manual work. So this is how multi-branch setup looks like. And if I go to the main branch, okay, here you can see it actually got executed, the jobs are running, and I can execute it n number of times. So that is the power that multi-branch pipeline gave us. Okay, now let's say if you add a new branch, how would it work? Okay, so let's say, let me create a new branch. So branch 21. Okay, and I'm creating it from main. I'll go back over here to multi-branch setup, and I'll search. I'll just do a refresh and check whether branch number 21 is present or not. Okay, it is not present. So in order to make available, I'll just click on scan multi-branch pipeline. Now what it will do, it will iterate over the repository and will search for a new branch, and once it finds a new branch, it will create a new pipeline for it. Okay, so here you can see it founded one and it actually added. So now again, when I do a refresh, this time you can see branch 21 present over here, and the build also got triggered. Now what you can do is, if you want to make further changes, go back to branch 21, make change and do a build. It will be just for branch 21. It won't affect the other branches. So that is the power of multi-branch pipeline. I hope you learned what actually multi-branch pipeline is and to what extent we can leverage it. So yeah, that was all, and I will see you in the next one.